welcome back with me, Mr. Said Magdi. Today we're going to explain Unit 1, Connect Plus, okay, Primary 2, ready, get set, go. Okay, let's talk about our new vocab. Let's read it, okay. Repeat after me. Parents, parents, parents. Mom, mom. Mother, mother. Dad, dad. Father, father. Grandma, grandma. Grandpa, grandpa. Grandma is my grandmother, okay, and grandpa is my grandfather. Uncle, uncle. Aunt, aunt. Brother, brother, okay, brother. Sister, sister. Cousins, cousins. Grandchildren, grandchildren. Okay, these are the members of our family. Parents, my father and mother in one word. Parents. Mom, mother or dad, he is my father. Grandma, grandpa. Uncle, aunt. Brother, sister. Cousins, grandchildren. Okay, now let's move to our action verbs. Have lunch, have lunch. Go home, go home. Get up, get up. Breakfast, breakfast. Lunch, lunch. Dinner, dinner. Sandwiches, sandwiches. Walk, walk. Eat, eat. Again, let's read them again, or let's read the action verbs again. Have lunch, have lunch. When I go home, when I go back home after my school, I have lunch with my family. Okay, I have lunch in the afternoon. Go home, go home. Get up, get up. Breakfast, breakfast. Lunch, lunch. Dinner, dinner. Yeah. In the evening we have dinner. Breakfast is our first meal. In the morning we have breakfast before going to school. Okay, yeah. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Dinner, dinner. Sandwiches, sandwiches. Walk, walk. Eat, eat. Okay, okay. Now let's read our story. Okay, look, listen and read. Hello, Hannah. Hi, how are you? I'm okay. Is this your ball? Yes, it is. Thank you. See you soon. Okay. Now, Hannah and Amira saw each other. They are greeting themselves. They are greeting each other. Let's learn how to greet ourselves or to greet our friends. Or when we meet someone, what would we say? How to greet ourselves or to greet our friends? Repeat after me. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? How are you? Fine, thank you. Fine, thank you. Okay, when I see my friend, I say hello. Hi, how are you? I said I'm fine, thank you, or I'm fine, thanks. Fine, thanks. Fine, thank you. All the same meaning. Okay, okay. In the morning I can say good morning, good morning. When I get up in the morning, I see my mother or I see my father, I say good morning, good morning mom, good morning dad. Okay, okay. Now good afternoon, good afternoon. When I go back from my school, okay, I met my father or I meet my mother. Good afternoon mom, good afternoon dad. Again, repeat after me. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good evening, good evening. Okay, very good. Let's read them again. Hello, hello. How are you? Fine, thank you. Good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good evening, good evening. Okay, okay. Another part of our session today, parts of the day. Okay, repeat after me. Morning, morning. afternoon, afternoon, evening, evening, again, morning, morning, afternoon, afternoon, evening, evening. Let's continue our story. Good morning, Hani. How are you? Good morning, Miss Sarah. I'm fine, thank you. Good afternoon, Yusuf. How are you? Good afternoon, Miss Mona. I'm fine, thank you. Okay? Yeah. Here, Hani and Miss Sarah met at 7 a.m. At 7 a.m., it's time for school. Here, it's 2:30 or 2:30. We are going to talk about the time later. Okay? Okay. It's 2:30 p.m. It's time to go home. So, yeah. Miss Mona said to Yusuf, good afternoon, Yusuf. How are you? Here, it's 7 a.m. in the morning. So, Hani and Miss Sarah said to each other, good morning. Okay? Okay. Good evening, Hannah. How are you? Good evening, Mr. Ahmad. I'm fine, thank you. Okay? Why they say good evening? Because it's 7 p.m. in the evening, so Dad has arrived home from work. So they said good evening. Okay? Again, good evening, Hannah. How are you? Good evening, Mr. Ahmad. I'm fine, thank you. Okay? At 7 a.m., Dad has arrived from work. Okay? Okay. Now it's your turn. Ask and answer with a friend or with your father or with your mommy. Okay? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Say whatever you want and ask him about his health. How are you? Okay? Okay. How are you? I'm okay. I'm fine, thank you. See you soon. All these words or all these sentences are the same answer to the question, how are you? Okay? Okay. Let's move to another part. Our grammar today, we are going to talk about the present simple. Okay? Okay. What's the meaning of the present simple? Why should we have to use this tense? We use the present simple tense to talk about our habits, our daily routine, okay, our schedule, okay, okay. How to form this tense? Yeah. We use the first form of the verb. Okay, okay. I, we, you, they, and the plural nouns, we use the infinitive. Okay, okay. For example, I get up at 7 o'clock. Get up, get up. Okay. We eat our breakfast at 8 o'clock. We eat. Again, we eat. I get up, get up. Okay, okay. She walks. Is there some differences? Is there some difference here? Yeah. She walks to school every day. There's a difference here that we use the infinitive or the step verb with I, we, you, they, and the plural nouns. But with the singular nouns, he, she, it, we use the verb plus s. We add s to the verb or es. Okay? Okay. Like she walks to school every day. She walks to school. Here we can say he gets up at 7 o'clock. And this, in this tense, Mona or Ahmad or Hani eats there or eats his breakfast at 8 o'clock. Again, I can say he gets up. Okay? We eat, we can say she eats her breakfast at 8 o'clock. Okay? Okay, again, I, we, you, they, we use the infinitive. What's the meaning of infinitive? The verb without any adding. Okay? Okay, I can't add any suffix to the verb. You can't add s or es. Okay? Okay. That's the infinitive verb. Yeah. He, she, it singular, we add s to the verb. She walks to school. He plays football. She drinks tea or she gets up. Okay? Okay. The negative verb, Yeah. The negative form we use don't plus an infinitive. I, we, you, they, we use don't plus infinitive. Okay? Okay. For example, I don't get up late. I don't get up late. I don't play football. I don't walk to school. Okay? Okay, another example. Yeah, with he, she, it, and singular nouns, we use doesn't plus an infinitive. Okay? Okay. Ali doesn't play tennis. Play. Doesn't play. Not plays. We have to focus on this sentence. Ali doesn't play tennis. Okay? With he, she, it, and singular nouns, we use doesn't plus infinitive. Doesn't plus infinitive. I can't say Ali doesn't plays. It's wrong. Ali doesn't plays. No, it's wrong. Okay? We have to say Ali doesn't play. Okay? Okay. How to make a question? Yes and no questions. Yeah. We start with do. Do with plural nouns. We, you, they. Do you play tennis? Do they play tennis? I can say yes I do or no I don't. Do you play tennis? Yes I do. Do you play basketball? No I don't. Do you walk to school? Yes I do. Okay. Do you go to school by car? No I don't. Okay, but when I ask with you with do with the plural nouns we, you, they. Okay. Does, yeah, we use does with the singular nouns he, she, it. Does he have breakfast at 8 o'clock? Yes, he does. Does she have breakfast at 8 o'clock? No, she doesn't. Okay? Okay. You do. Let's repeat it again. Do, we use do with we, you, they. And does with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Do you play tennis? Yes, I do. Do they play tennis? No, they don't. Okay? Here we turn you to I, the pronoun I. Okay? But if we add they, I don't change it, I put it. Okay? They. Okay? He, she, it. Okay? Okay. Does she have breakfast at 8 o'clock? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Does he have breakfast? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Okay? Now, let's read the story. I get up at 7 o'clock. Okay? They are talking about their daily routines or their habits. So, they use the present simple tense. I get up at 7 o'clock. I eat my breakfast at 7:30. I walk to school with my mom at 8 o'clock. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I eat sandwiches and drink water. I play tennis after school at 4:30. I go home at 5:30. I ride my bike. Okay? Okay. Read again. Circle the answer. Does she get up at 7 o'clock? Okay. Yeah, she said, I get up at 7 o'clock. So, yeah, it's yes, she does. Does she have breakfast at 8 o'clock? No. No, she doesn't. Okay? Ask and answer with your friend or with your brother. Do you get up at 6:30? No, I don't. I get up at 7:30. Okay, now it's your turn. Do it at home. Thank you for watching, my dear children. See you next time. Goodbye.